In this tutorial, we'll be learning about brackets. Brackets is the open source text editor that is backed and developed by Adobe, which provides many of the features of full-service text editors with the benefit of being open source. Here we are at the Brackets homepage, which can be found at brackets.io. Brackets is made by Adobe, so it has a certain visual charm to it that you typically expect from Adobe products. Brackets has a lot of cool features. It has an inline editor, which allows you to edit multiple files in a very cool way. It has live code preview, so it's basically like having a local server running and automatically updating your files without the need to write any code. And it also supports preprocessors, such as less or Sass. We'll go into much greater detail on these topics, but these are all features that make Brackets potentially a good choice. Brackets is very modern and it is updated very frequently. It is well supported and it focuses a lot on implementing plugins. You can be confident that if there's something that you need done, Brackets would have a plugin for it, or will have one day. If we take a look at the Brackets website on GitHub at github.com/adobe/brackets, we can see that it is a very popular repository, having over 21,000 stars at the time of making this video. It's supported by many people with over 250 contributors. Here in the Issues section, people can open issues that they have with the Brackets software, and then the Brackets developers, or simply developers who don't work for Brackets but want to help out, can address these issues. This is one of the primary differences between Brackets and, say, an editor like Sublime or IntelliJ. If you have an issue with IntelliJ, you have to send an email to the people that make IntelliJ and hope that they fix it. With Brackets, you can open an issue. Of course, yours will be one among over 1,000, but at least that's something. Brackets has a large amount of documentation, which can be found on its website. Brackets is designed as much for developers as designers. There are many APIs which you can hook into when using Brackets to make your experience more powerful. Here on the left is a list of all of Brackets' APIs. You can use these to create custom scripts or your own Brackets plugins. A big part about Brackets is the plugin community. So I encourage you to learn more about making Brackets plugins.